Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 26, 2017. The U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we got the follow through we needed, and we did really well on our exits. And so, what I said yesterday about the system finally starting to work held true today. Uh, we had about $22,000 in open trade equity on the close yesterday, and we closed that out at over 26,000. So that's real good. You know, that's what I expect usually happens. And although, in recent weeks, just the opposite was happening almost every day. We would have certain amount of money on the close of the previous day, and then it would open much worse. Well, this morning it didn't open worse, and we actually closed out over $26,000 in profitable trades. You can see here with the Dow what's been happening. This was the big breakout down here, and these 2 days is what propelled us into what total amount was over $40,000 we made in these 2 days. Today wasn't a big up day, but it started up, and when we get that kind of day we had yesterday, we don't need a big up day to get out and do well. We just need a little bit of follow through, and we had that. The Dow was positive. It was up over 21,000 almost all day until the very end. And so everything cooperated today. It really, really, really looked good. Now, you may look at this Dow pattern here, and you notice we get up, up, up until about 2/3 through the day, and then the thing starts to sell off. It did close. The Dow still closed up 6 points, so technically I was right with my call yesterday, but with this looping action we get at the end of the day, closing near its low, I got to call the Dow down for today. Or for tomorrow. It looks to me like these are all-time highs up here, and it's having trouble with that. It's treating it like a ceiling, and the Dow may have to come back a little before it takes another run at these all-time highs. We'll just have to see. But I am calling the Dow down for tomorrow. Now, with this kind of looping action, what happens is we get into trades on the run-up, and then we get hammered on the sell-off. Well, we got hammered just a little. It really wasn't too bad. We got into 8 new positions today. 3 are positive, 5 are negative, and we are holding negative $2,800 going into tomorrow. But after having combined profits of $40,000 the last 2 days, we can handle that negative 2,800 without any trouble. So it was a really good day. I'm going to show you the 3 biggies, the 3 great trades. Really good here. Just love looking at these. This first one is Dust, which is inverse gold mining. We bought this on Monday on the gap up. Didn't do anything for us on Monday. Big move yesterday, so we stayed with it. We got just a little gap there, but regardless, we get out of it with more than $6,000 in profit. Now you look at the chart here, we could have made quite a bit more if somehow we had a crystal ball and gotten out up here, but then it did sell off at the end, so I'm very happy to be out on our algorithm right there with $6,000 plus. Then I'll show you another one here. This is a really beauty, just because I didn't really expect much from this stock. This is AA Alcoa, and we bought this on Monday, again on a gap, just like Just. It closed pretty favorably on Monday, then a huge move yesterday. We stayed with it, and we got another move up. And you can see here, we almost sold the top of the market here. We almost sold the top of the market. And we have almost $7,000 in profits in Alcoa. Just a fantastic trade. Fantastic trade. And finally, last but certainly not least, is JDST, which is also inverse gold mining, and I got this chart up. This is where we bought it on Monday, and big gap up yesterday, and then a little up move this morning, and we got out of there with over $9,000 in profits. And just like Just, it had a little run here, but then it really sold off. So I'm very happy where we got out there with $9,000 in profits. Anyway, fantastic day. Trader Bob's happy. I'm signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Thursday.